Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Open settings and confirm dictation and microphone access because the phone needs permission to capture clear audio. Once enabled, pick a quiet space and position the iPhone about 6 to 12 inches from the speaker. Launch voice memos or a transcription app in Tap Record. Don't worry about perfection, capture the full audio. Make sure screen lock and do not disturb are engaged to avoid interruptions. Then stop the recording only when you've finished the entire segment you want transcribed. Once the recording is saved, import it into your chosen transcription tool or enable Live Transcribe. The app will analyze the audio and generate text. Processing time depends on length, so be patient. After it finishes, read through the transcript and correct errors. Names, punctuation, and similar-sounding words often need manual fixes. Use the app's edit features to tap and replace words, or play short segments to confirm phrasing. Make sure timestamps or speaker labels are accurate if you'll reference sections later. When the transcript looks right, export it using the share sheet to notes, pages, email, or a txt/docx file so you can archive or share. If more than about 1/10 of words are incorrect, apply noise reduction, re-record the segment closer to the speaker, and reprocess for better accuracy. If the app won't transcribe at all, verify microphone permissions and storage space, then restart the app or iPhone. These fixes resolve most glitches. If problems persist, switch to another transcription service and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.